The significance of the Artemis 1 mission is that it's actually signaling a whole new era of space exploration. Apollo was very much about learning how to send humans out into space. We built on that legacy with the space shuttle, which helped us understand how to do science and to stay in orbit for periods at a time. And the International Space Station has taught us how to live 24/7, 365 days a year, and do science in space. But Artemis is going to take us out to the next step, the exploration of the solar system, of all that we have learned about human spaceflight, science, and exploration. And it begins with Artemis 1. With the Artemis program, we are beginning to build a blueprint for how we will do human and scientific exploration out into the solar system in a sustainable way. Artemis will help us to define what are the objectives, what are the things that we have to demonstrate, what do we have to learn and understand before we go the next step to Mars. We get to practice on the moon, which is just a couple of days away from Earth, a place that we can practice, learn, and prepare ourselves for future exploration to Mars and beyond. Our industry and international partnerships are absolutely critical to the Artemis campaign, especially in Artemis 1. We have been working for many years with our industry partners all over the country to develop the capabilities that we will be demonstrating in Artemis 1. In addition to that, our international partners are playing a critical role. Space is fundamentally a global enterprise. We've done wonderful things with the International Space Station, and we're extending that on, not just to the same partners we've had for a long time, but new partners as well. But of course, our trusted partner, such as the European Space Agency, absolutely critical, providing the service module for Orion, absolutely essential. And in addition to that, our architecture includes partnerships with Canada, Japan, and others. This is incredibly important. We have to define how we are going out into the solar system. And starting with those partnerships will ensure that we are on a track that is sustainable, not just for human life, but for all that we plan to do in the future, to do it in the right way. I am so excited about this mission. First, it's opening the door for the first woman and the first person of color to set foot on the moon. That's incredibly exciting and powerful to me. It's also setting up a steady cadence for us to go out and do exploration and science. And I'm excited to see what we're going to learn. But most of all, I'm excited because this mission shows that we are ready to explore the rest of the solar system. And that's most exciting of all.